Alright, welcome to another video, and before we get started I'd like to take a quick minute to thank all the Patreon supporters and YouTube channel members whose names you see scrolling across the screen right now. They make this financially possible, and without you, I probably wouldn't be here making videos, so thank you. Welcome back to another video. Like I said in the last one, I kind of was looking for a little bit of a change of pace, trying to do something different, kind of getting bored and just wasn't sure what direction I was going to go next. But I decided to pick up a set of goggles, which is kind of the purpose for the thumbnail, the title of the video. It's been quite a long time since I've flown with FPV goggles, and the last ones I actually purchased were the old original analog Fat Shark Dominators, not like the Dominator 2 or 3 or anything, the very first original Dominators. I actually still have those, and they do work, I just never fly with them. But I actually picked up these off of RC Groups in the classified section. I think I paid like $135 for them. Got a pretty good deal on them. They're the Skyzone Cobra X box goggles, which are actually 720p. They're 1280 by 720 resolution with an HDMI input. So I kind of put the Walksnail video receiver module on the front, and we're flying with goggles today. And I gotta admit, it's a pretty interesting change of pace. It's something I'd kind of forgotten how fun it can be. Just kind of the pure experience of flying FPV, sitting outside with goggles, with the radio, not inside cozy in the shop flying on the big monitor and things like that like I normally do. But yeah, if you'd probably told me this time like a year or two back that I would be sitting outside the shop flying with a 2.4 gigahertz Express LRS and flying an iNav equipped plane with digital HD FPV, I would have probably not agreed with you. But yeah, that's where we're at.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
That's pretty much what's going on here. There's not really much else to talk about in the rest of the video. And as you can see, the Penguin's been flying around a little bit at the start of this. This is the Atom RC Penguin, by the way. There will be links to all the relevant stuff below the video if you want to check it out. I always use affiliate links when I can. It gives me a kickback and to put money back into the channel without costing you anything. So if you choose to use those links to order anything, I do greatly appreciate that. But anyway, that's where we're at. We're going to just kind of throw some royalty-free music up for the rest of the video just to break up the silence. So like I said, there's not really a lot more interesting to talk about. But just enjoy the flight, because I certainly did, and I hope you do too. Thank you for watching this, and I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully it'll be something just as fun. So we'll see you then.